And here I am in another beautiful estate right here in Lagos State. Okay, so I am in a beautiful estate called the New Advantage in Ibeju, Lekki, Lagos. Now this estate is a very dry land. This is one of the few dry lands you will see on the island. This is one of the few you see, and it's going at a very affordable price. I mean, with the total home payment of 6 million naira and land cost of 3 million naira, you can get yourself a plot here. Yeah, so the estate is not going to come like this. So this is just how we're just working on it. But it's an estate land that will come with perimeter fencing, road network, gatehouse, street lights, security house, and all that. So if you were looking to have yourself a dry land at an affordable rate with a good title excision, call me right now. Let me bring you to this beautiful place. I'm ready for your call, though. Yeah?
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down.